Hello students, welcome to the aptitude class. Today we will discuss a topic cubes and cuboids, under which we will discuss different types of reasoning problems on the basis of cubes and cuboids. Before starting with the problems, let's recall what is a cube and cuboid. Cube is a geometrical shape having sides with same measurement. Shape of the cube is this. In real life, cube will look like this, having sides with the same measurement. For example, we are having the cube with sides 3 cm. This is also 3 cm. This will be also 3 cm. In this way, this side will also be 3 cm. From all the sides, it will be having same measurement. Real life examples of the cube are dice of a ludo, ice cubes, etc. Many such examples are there. Whereas cuboid is a geometrical shape having sides with different measurement. Different sides are named as length, breadth and height. Shape of the cuboid is this. In real life, it will look like this, having sides with different measurement. This side is called as length, this will be called as breadth, and this will be called as height. Real life examples of the cuboid are geometry box, book, etc. Many such examples are there. Now let's talk about faces, edges and vertices of cube and cuboid. Cube and cuboid both are having the 6 faces. Let's see how. As this is a cube, these plane surfaces are called as the faces. Let's count how many faces are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 faces are there. Similarly, we can count the faces for cuboid also. Now let's talk about the edges. Edges are called as the sides. These are the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Similarly, we can count for the cuboid also. Now, let's talk about the vertices. Vertices means corners. These are called the vertices. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, there are 8 vertices of both cube and cuboid. Let's start with the type 1 questions, that is to count the number of cubes. In this type we will be given different figures and we have to count the number of cubes in that figures. Let's start with the first question. Here figure of the question is this. We have to count the number of cubes. Whenever we have to attempt the questions of this type, firstly we divide the figure into the parts. Here on dividing, this will be your first part and this will be your second part. So firstly we will count the number of cubes for the first part. So first of all we have to count the number of cubes lengthwise like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Then breadthwise 1 cube is there only. So 4 multiplied by 1 comes out to be 4. So there are only 4 cubes in the first part. Now let's move towards the second part. Lengthwise 1, 2. 2 cubes are there. Breadthwise 1. 2 multiplied by 1. 2 cubes are there in the second part. So we will add the number of cubes in the first part. So 4 plus 2 comes out to be 6. So total 6 cubes are there in this figure. Let's discuss one more question of this type only. Here figure of the question is this. Firstly, we will divide the figure into the parts. Here our first part is this, second and third part. So firstly we will count the cubes for the first part. Lengthwise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes are there. Breadthwise 1, 2. 2 cubes are there. So 5 multiplied by 2 comes out to be 10. So in first part 10 cubes are there. Let's move towards the second part. 1, 2, 3. Lengthwise 1, 2, 2 breadthwise. 3 multiplied by 2, 6. So we will add 6 to the cubes in the first part. Then moving towards the third part. Lengthwise 1, 2, 2 cubes are there. 1, 2, 2 cubes are there. Breadthwise also. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. So total 4 cubes are there in the third part. So we will add the number of cubes to the cubes in part 1 and part 2. So 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 4, 20. So in this figure total 20 cubes are there. Let's start with the type 2 questions, that is folding nets. In this, a net plan of a cube is given. You have to fold the net along the edges in your mind and tick the cube which can be made from the given plan. Let's discuss this type with the help of an example. Here we have given this net plan having the different symbols belongs to divide, minus, multiplication, question mark and circle. If I fold this net plan, I have to match that which option will occur on folding the net plan. If I cut this net plan, it will be look like this. Now let's see on folding which net plan we will got. If I fold this net plan along this face, let's see on folding what we get. We will got a cube of this type like this. Now from the options we have to see that on the top face we have got the divide sign, which option matches with this cube. On observing from the options, we have observed that in A option divide sign occurs on the top face, which is same as that of this cube. Divide sign on the top face with belongs to sign and minus sign. Here also same symbols are there. So A option is correct from this. So students, this is about the type 1 and type 2 questions on the basis of cubes and cuboids. I hope you have understood with this concept. Now you are able to do the related work which we have sent to you in a snap homework. Thank you students.